So once you've got everybody in the meeting, or you can do this before as well if you like, you can click on this option down at the bottom for sharing. There's various options. We're going to pick on present PowerPoint file. I'm going to choose the file from my computer and it's now uploading. You can then talk through your presentation. You can move through the slides at the bottom. You can also access some annotation tools up at the top. So you have text, you can have pens where you can draw, you can have highlighting tools if that's helpful, you can have arrows. So if you have a list and you're working through it and you want to tick off as you work through, that's possible as well. You can add a picture if you would like, and then if you want to remove them, you can click on delete all annotations, or you can just hide them temporarily if you like.